First is a bunny ear scrunchie, which has the little tails on the end. We're going to be making it with a hot glue gun for the first one. Now you're going to pull a hair tie over a round object which is wrapped around the fabric, like so. Grab your hot glue gun and put a string of hot glue along the edge and fold it over. We're going to let this sit for a bit. When you're done, you're going to let it cool and then you're going to pull over the top of the cylinder object. You're then going to reverse it inside out like so, which is just pulling one side through the other. Next, you're going to fold off one of the ends with the same method using a hot glue gun. Then push in the straight edges like a triangle shape and glue it in. Do the same for the other side and make sure to make it in a certain triangle diamond shape rather than just a slanted edge. Once you're done, you can add a little bit of a gold chain or gold ribbon on the edge, but I prefer to leave it blank and hot glue the two sides together. Next is the sewing one. First, you're going to measure out your fabric and sew it along the edge, doing the same method of leaving a couple centimeters off the edge. Then you're going to flip it inside out like so. When we flip the fabric and pull it through, we make sure we do it on the bad side, so we flip it to the nice side. Now, to do the tail ears, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to flip it over, so you get a slant or a misread in the fabric. Eventually, we'll sew this, and then we'll flip it over to make sure the fabric is all lying flat and straight. We tie the two edges like so, in a crisscross pattern, and we end up with a little tail ear scrunchie. For a regular scrunchie, you just need less fabric and less elastic. First, you're going to find the two edges and fold it along the bad edge. You're then going to pin it and sew it together. When you've sewed it, you're going to sew one side with elastic, and then you're going to add a bobby pin on the other side so you can thread it through afterwards. Sew the other side of the elastic to the other end, and it should end up looking a bit weird, but once you flip it inside out and reverse it, it's going to look perfectly fine. Don't worry, this may take a while. I used a pencil to help stuff it down better, and it does end up really good. Also, keep your favorite show on in the background because it does take a while. All we have to do now is sew them together. You can sew it like a sausage and sew it around the round edge, or you can just sew it flat and straight, which will leave it looking a bit flat, but it doesn't really matter because it's quicker and easier. And now we have a scrunchie! I didn't end up filming the hot glue method because I found the sewing one to be easier, so I completely ditched it. But for anyone who doesn't know how to sew, it's basically the same technique, except instead of leaving those two flaps on the end, you pull up all the fabric so it's all around, and then you follow the exact same steps in the sewing, except you're replacing needles and thread for a hot glue machine. Guys, this was my favorite DIY. To pack this up, all I did was get some toilet rolls and I put some colored paper on them and then put the elastic on them like a wristband, and you literally have the perfect Christmas present. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time.